Today's news headline is Ongoing Rohingya atrocities highlight urgency as Belgium backs Gambia in genocide case. Details of the news. In 2019, the Gambia, which is a Western African nation, filed a case at the International Court of Justice (ICJ) against Myanmar's military, accusing them of committing genocide against the Rohingya Muslim minority. Acting on behalf of the Rohingya people, the Gambia urged that Myanmar's military had engaged in systematic acts of displacement, rape, and murder, forcing over 730,000 Rohingyas to fly to neighboring Bangladesh in 2017. This mass exodus followed widespread violence and destruction in Rakhine State, which many international observers and human rights organizations have described as ethnic cleansing. Since the case was initiated, the Gambia has been supported by several nations in its effort to hold Myanmar accountable under the Genocide Convention. As of December 16, 2024, Belgium has become the latest country to join the legal effort, bringing the total number of cooperating nations to 11. These nations include Canada, Denmark, France, Germany, the Netherlands, the United Kingdom, Slovenia, the Maldives, the Republic of Ireland, and the Belgium, in addition to the Gambia itself. In a recently released report, Belgium confirmed its commitment to assist the Gambia in pursuing justice for the Rohingya. Meanwhile, the plight of the Rohingya continues to worsen. Reports from Rakhine State reveal ongoing atrocities not just by the military but also by the Rakhine rebel group, the Arakan Army AA. The Arakan Army, which has grown in power amid Myanmar's internal conflict, has been implicated in abuses against Rohingya civilians. These include targeted violence, extortion, and forced displacement. Civilians in Rakhine State face a precarious existence, caught between the Myanmar military's repressive operations and the Arakan Army's territorial ambitions. Humanitarian organizations have reported an alarming rise in human rights violations, including restrictions on movement, arbitrary detentions, and the blocking of aid to the Rohingya communities. The ongoing developments underscore the urgency of international action and accountability. The Gambia's case at the ICJ, now backed by an increasing number of countries, seeks not only to address past atrocities but also to establish legal mechanisms to prevent further violence against the Rohingya. However, the situation on the ground highlights the need for immediate and coordinated efforts to protect the vulnerable Rohingya population, both within Myanmar and in the refugee camps in Bangladesh.